The love of Muhammad and his family is my true religion, my reason to be. And when I die, my sins are too many. The love of Muhammad will rescue me. And when I die,